Hey ladies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Mrs. Emily Paints, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this Galaxy eyeshadow with the Colourpop Lilo and Stitch palette. So we're going to be starting off with the shade 626, and we're going to be packing this onto our lid, and we're not going to be going above our crease, and we're also going to stay in the outer corner area. And as usual, you guys, I did not set my base, just so you guys know if you guys are new. And we're also going to be adding more product little by little to build up the intensity. And for this area, you guys, I mainly like to use a flat brush, like a big flat brush like this one, to apply it. I feel like it grabs the product better. Now we're going to be doing the exact same thing in the inner corner area, but make sure you guys leave a blank space in the middle of your eyelid like I did. And we're going to continue to pack some more product on there until it looks extremely bright and fully set, you guys. This is why I don't set my base. Honestly, I'm normally not a fan of these colors, but this color, I really loved it, and there was not that much fallout compared to other palettes. Now we're going to be going in with the shade Fluffy, and we're going to be applying this right above that shade, and we're going to be using a small fluffy brush so that we can blend this out, you guys. I really love this brush. I have to check where it's from, and I'll let you guys know. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to know what kind of brush this is. But it's my favorite to blend out this area where the crease is at, you guys. And we're going to keep packing some more of that shade on until it blends and it looks brighter. If some of the dark blue disappears, don't worry, because we're going to be applying some more of that shade a little bit later. And try to blend in circular motions, you guys. That works the best for this area. And now I'm applying some on the other side, you guys. Like I said, blend in circular motions and start applying little by little, because you don't want to add too much color and then it's hard to blend. And like I said, if some of the colors at the bottom start disappearing, that is okay. We're going to add some more later on. But just we're going to blend, and we're also going to be dragging this color over to the center of our eye, like you guys can see that I'm doing right now. And that is totally fine because I want this purple shade to kind of like peak at the very top of the dark one, if that makes sense. You guys are gonna see when the color like comes together and we're done with the eyeshadow look. But I really want this purple to stand out a little bit more, so I'm gonna be adding some more in this inner area just so that it looks blended. And then after that, we're gonna be going back in with some more of that product because we're gonna be building the intensity, you guys. A lot of this is pretty repetitive because you don't want to just add a bunch of eyeshadow and then just make a mess. Now we're gonna be going back in with the shade 626, and we're gonna pack some more on there and just make it a little bit brighter because we kind of lost a little bit of the pigment. And you guys, I do want to say that making this look was super spontaneous. Like, I did not plan it or anything. It just happened out of nowhere. Like, I saw the colors and I just ran with it. I was scared of the outcome, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, we're applying some more of the shade Fluffy, and I'm gonna be blending this in circular motions just to make it as smoky as possible at the top. And now we're applying the shade Goodness Level, and we're going to be using this to blend out the very top, you guys. It's okay if some of the shade starts disappearing because we can just add some more. And we're going to be blending in small circular motions. The best brush that I recommend you use is a fluffy brush. This one's my favorite. It's from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. It's very old, but I'm sure Morphe has some new updated fluffy brushes. This is just one of my personal favorites, and I've had it for so long, you guys. Okay, and just make sure you guys are blending in this inner corner as well. I like this shade because it's like a very light purple tone, like a pastel purple. And it's okay if it touches your brow bone, you guys. It's totally fine. It's a very light shade. Next, we're going back in with the shade Fluffy, and I'm going to be applying some more of that shade. And we're going to be doing circular motions so that it can blend in with the other colors. While I'm blending this, please let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any color suggestions. I will gladly make a video for you guys. I really love making makeup tutorials specifically for you guys, since I know you guys like to save them and then recreate them. So just comment down below, and remember to like this video too, you guys. And next I'm going back in with the shade 626 and I'm just going to be applying some more in this area. I love how this look is coming along, you guys. This look came out of nowhere, I'm telling you. Like, I had no idea what I was going to get out of this, but I really love it. As you guys can see, I just applied a little bit in the center, so we have a hint of purple there. But it's just a little bit, you guys, not a lot. And next I'm going in with the shade Cutest Alien, and I'm going to be applying this with the flat brush on this outer area right here, and I'm going to be doing the same thing on the other side. And for more pigment, I do like to apply a setting spray to the brush, so just spray it a little bit when you grab some product, and that'll just intensify the eyeshadow. And sorry if you guys heard some fireworks outside. They're like blowing them up right now, and I think it's because, you know, 4th of July is coming up. So as you guys can see, I'm applying this on the other side as well, and I did wet my brush with some setting spray and the eyeshadow just to intensify it. It looks a little bit messy at first, but you guys have to trust the process. That is the awesome part about creating random looks, especially a galaxy look like this. Like, we're gonna be adding the shade Waves All Day, which is this really, really nice, really light blue shade. It's so pretty and sparkly, you guys. And I'm just going to be applying this in that center area, but I'm also going to be blending it into the shade Cutest Alien. And you guys, oh my god, I fell in love with this look. I had no idea this was going to come of it. So I fell in love with it. It looks a little messy at first, but like I said, trust the process. That's the beauty about makeup. If you guys want the shade, any shimmery shade, to be brighter than it is, always spray it with some setting spray after you grab some product with the brush. That is my favorite technique to apply these shades, you guys. It never fails. And I'm going back in with the shade Cutest Alien just to blend it into the other shade Waves All Day. And as you guys can see, it's starting to look put together. And now I'm taking a makeup towel remover from Neutrogena, and I'm going to be cleaning out some of the excess powder, and also going to be sharpening out that outer area. And now I'm taking my Armani mascara that they sent me, you guys. I really like it because it has such a thin layer of mascara. Like, it applies so thinly, and I like it for when I do eyeshadow looks like this because I don't want them to look very like big because I'm gonna use my falsies. So these are from my website. They're called the Violeta lashes. You guys can purchase them on my website down below in the description. These are my favorite for every look, you guys, any occasion. And now I'm going in with the Super Shock highlighter. You guys, this is bomb, you guys. I love it. It's kind of creamy, and I'm using a small little flat brush to apply this on my brow bone. Look at that shine, you guys. It's so cute. And then we're also gonna be applying this in our inner corner after this area. And again, remember to wet your brush with your setting spray to get the best results. Okay, and next we're going to be going in with the shade 626, and I'm taking a small flat brush, and I'm going to be applying this on my lower lash line. I feel the powder getting in my eyes, you guys, a little bit, but I'm so used to it. It just, sometimes it does get annoying. You get used to it though. A quick technique that I like to use for this, you guys, I like to press my brush in as much as I could into my lashes because I don't want any fallout because I already have my foundation on. And I'm going in with the shade Cutest Alien, and it's very shimmery, but I really like how this shade looked on my under eye. And now I'm going in with this shadow stick, and I'm going to be applying this on my waterline, you guys. It just gives it an extra pop since it's like a light purple. I forgot the name, but I will put it down in the description for you guys. And now I'm going back in with my Armani mascara. I really love this for my bottom lashes, you guys. It doesn't make them as long as the Colourpop one, I'll be honest, but it does give some light like volume to my lashes. And this is a finished look, you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.